Come on. Oh!
I got it.
You got free games on 37.50 bet. Wow.
Okay, let's hope it's a good one.
All right. Let's hope this is amazing, folks. Hey, folks. Welcome back. It's loud as hell in here. Hard Rock Tampa, Chica Bonita. $500 in. See if she's gonna be nice. Got a $7. Where to go? Oh, look at you on dollar. What are you doing? What are you doing?
No, remember the other ones in the back? They go down to 5 lines. This one doesn't. That's what I wanted to look at.
Okay, so what denom are you doing? 50 Cent got a $7,000 major, $84,000 grand, and here she goes. And I know you can't hear nothing because it's freaking loud as crap in here.
So we're gonna have to talk a lot to drown out the music.
$500 in. We need 3 peppers. You just seen 1 or 6 coins. 3 peppers, 6 coins. That's what we're looking for. There's a bunch of jacks. Why has this machine got 0 sound?
Because the music is loud.
Crap, man.
Button's not working either.
The touchpad will work. Come on, Chica. Come on out for us. Nothing. I don't even hear it.
I know. I don't either.
We got 2 peppers. We need 3. What in the world? Holy moly. High limit, folks. 3.
Oh.
Ah. All right. Come on, Chica. Man.
What is minimum?
$25. 1 pepper and 2 little coins there. Come on, 3. Dang. No 3. Why does this thing got no sound? Pepper. No pepper.
Oh boy.
Already? Holy moly. All right, we're gonna have to move to one that's got sound. I can't take this. I don't understand why you got no sound. That's it. $500 gone. Took about 3 minutes for that. All right, stand by. We're gonna move to one that's got sound. Chica where the hell are we? Karita de Toros. Corrida de Toros, folks. $5,700 major, $84,000 grand. $500 in. Let's see if some bulls will come out.
What should we do?
I don't know. But I hope we get a triple something. Triple mini, triple minor. That would be fantastic. 6 capes. 3 bulls is what we're looking for. Come on, bulls. Come on out. There's a little bit.
That back?
1250. I gotta move this back. Bull. Oh. So there's 2 of them. We need 3. Come on, Karita. Oh! You just hit it on 37.50. Holy moly! Y'all see that? 37.50 bet. Those are a bunch of minimums.
Yeah, they are.
But you know what? The mini's 500. The minor's 2,500. Let's see if we can hit something amazing. Oh, you see that 7,500 go by?
No, I didn't.
Are 3,750. Hit it. Come on. Oh boy.
You hit it, Jenny.
Drop it. All right. We're getting 1x and 2x. That's it. There it is again. Come on, give us a mini, will ya? Oh boy. Man, 1x and 2x, that's it. Come on, something big. Dang. Alright, keeping us alive, another minimum. Come on. Another 2x. 2 more left, folks. Man, oh man, give us one bigger one. Man, I've seen that 7,500 again. Last spin. Dang. Well, that's a minimum one, folks. Still a good win, but that's a minimum. All right, that's a good win, but that should have been a lot better. That's 1 and 2x is all we got. For a 37.50 bet, we should have got a little bit better than that, but that's okay. That's okay. We'll take it. Very much appreciated.
Yeah.
We're up a little bit. We're doubled, actually.
Well, we put 500 in here.
For 500, we doubled. Yep.
So
Doubled.
what do we do? Should we cash out?
Boom, 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 boom. Do it. Oh. Mini's 500 on 50 cents. All right, Karita. Bull. Dang. 23 of that guy to come out.
I don't know. I feel like this is so hard.
Oh, it's definitely hard. Mini's 1,000 on this one. Miner's 5,000.
I feel like we should probably cash out while we're ahead.
If you don't feel it, you can catch out.
I don't know. I feel like it's so hard.
Man, you go from $37.50 to $5. That's crazy.
Yeah, because
You're all over the place.
yeah, I am. Okay, I'm gonna go up the ladder and then worst case scenario, we'll cash out 500, which will
Well, that's a little bit.
yeah.
Not a lot, but get your bet back maybe? Oh, 74, nice. Because that dude right there is the best payer. Do it! Got it. All right, $10 bet. Here we go.
See what we get.
We might get something amazing here, you never know. Looks like we got 3X is the biggest so far. Mini's 100, miner's 500. If we get a triple anything, it'd be fantastic. Major's 5,000. Come on, let's go.
Reading 1 and 2x again?
What it looks like. Yep, what it looks like. Come on. Something better than 2X. Yeah. Come on, drop a triple something. Or a double. Wow. That's not very good.
2x again. I think
We got one 3X. All right, 170. $10 bet, not amazing. But it's something. We'll take it.
take it.
That was not amazing on $10.
gamblers are going to at least break even. See if something happens.
Do it. Dang. Oh! 1250 come showing its head. Look at that.
Too short.
1250 cape showing up. But it only likes to give us 1 and 2x for some strange reason.
I don't know. I don't know. You do. Okay. Happy's behind us.
Man, it comes out again.
Now,
Oh, we're down now.
we're cashing out. Let's go to Happy. We got 2 votes.
Cashing out, folks. Dang it.
Yeah.
We got a little bit on it and we gave it back. That's the way it goes. Karita de Toros, folks. We're going to try something else here shortly. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one. Hey, folks. Welcome back. Checker flag time.
I'm just curious. Okay, I'm not doing that, but I was just curious.
Majors up there, 6,800. Grand's 50,000. See, checker flag is going to be good to us. She's on 25-cent denon right now. I need 3 of this dude for the free games. 6 of the trophies for the hold and spin. See if we can get something. Oh! Only 2. Only 2. Dang. Oh, there's the 2 we needed. Come on, checker flag. Be good to us. Oh, 1 more. Oh. Threw them wilds out there in the end, and we don't need them wilds. Not on the backside. Front's okay like that. Got a little bit back there. 76 back. Come on. Oh!
I got it.
You got free games on 37.50 bet. Wow.
Okay, let's hope it's a good one.
All right. Let's hope this is amazing, folks. This is we've been down this road before, and it's been.
I know.
I mean, it can go either way.
Press it, honey.
Oh, you ready? Here we go. Need a lot of those flags to show up. That ain't enough. Need a lot more flags. Come on, flags. Come on out. Flag trophies. I couldn't say it quick enough. There we go. Trophies. Dang. Trophies. Dang, man. Trophies. Trophies. Oh, my word. Oh, my word. This is pretty bad so far. Hopefully it turns around these last 3 games. Come on. Give us something good. Oh, that was 400. All right. Trophies. 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 Dang. Trophies. No.
Trophies.
I know. All right. 412. Not very good.
$412 then?
Yeah. Not really very good on 37.50.
No.
Oh boy. All they had to do was give them the trophies one time and that'd have been amazing. So we got creamed on that one, but that's okay. We'll take it. We're up once again. Dang, man. 37.50 bet, man. That should have been so much more. You never know with these, man. Sometimes we get amazing bonuses and sometimes they're complete crap.
Let's see. Let's go to
Games menu. Over here.
Sorry.
Go, 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 go.
Oh, I thought we got to go all the way
No
across.
line, I guess. Only 25 lines. 3 more. 1.
What? Oh.
Ooh, that's a big one we needed right there, man. Ready, set, go, buddy. 25 bucks back there.
That's that bad.
Three. Dang. Come on, free games. Tens, that ain't much. Here we go again. We're gonna get 3 though.
We didn't get it all the way across.
Oh, hey, you got 4. Okay, this is another 37.50 bet. 4 trigger. This should be paid pretty good.
4
600.
on 37.50.
506 bucks or something. So you're on 50-cent denom now.
Yeah.
So that's 562. All right, come on. Redemption for the last one. One more. Oh, we don't get a retrigger.
Come on,
Trophies. Oh, that's good. That's a big one there. That's a massive one because you got all wilds. You got the goes and the dudes up here. Look at that. It's going to be a jackpot, folks. That's going to be a jackpot because we already started with 500 something bucks. This is going to be like $700. Think it's going to be more? What do you think it's going to be?
I think it's going to be 800.
I don't know. It might be even more than that. I said 7 and we already surpassed that.
I don't even know. I just said 800 because you said 7.
That's a big one, man.
Hit the button.
Can we hit a button? 60, 42, what? 2 more. 2 more. Hey, got it. All right. Not too bad. 37.50, 37.50, and 75. All right, let's go. Come on, big numbers, big numbers. 37.50 is the minimum. Big numbers, big numbers. Come on, big trophies.
Come on, trophies.
We're getting 1 and 2. That's it. Oh boy. Come on, let's get a big one in here. How about a word? Minis 500. Last spin. Drop it. Bang. All right. Not very much there.
All right, that's all right.
Not very much there. We still got what? 3 spins left. Oh, we got 5 spins left. You got 5 spins left. We still could get something amazing. It's definitely making up for the last crappy bonus you got on 37.50.
Yeah.
All right, 487 on that, and that's the 3rd spin of 8.
We are at, what's our win so far?
26.92. Let's keep it up.
Some more games. Come on.
Yeah, that's not much of nothing. 9s. Okay. 9s. Not much. Come on. Nah, nothing. Oh, that's good. That's the best we could have gotten. The wilds.
Yeah, I don't say nothing.
Yeah, I know. I thought it was going to be a symbol. That's okay. All right, we got 3 more?
We get to 3,000.
Yes, we can.
3,000. Come on.
Yeah. Not there. All right, come on, trophies.
Oh,
Wild man.
This is gonna be good.
Okay, Jax. That would have been the wild helmet dude. That would have been another big one. Last spin, folks. And we did get 3,000.
We're at 31.
Boom. There we go. That's a good one, too. Kings and whatever the heck that thing is. Queens.
This is the last one, right? Yep.
Last spin. 3 $3,187.
On a 37.50 bet. That's not.
That's a good win. That's a good win, folks.
Yeah.
Very happy about that. High five.
Woo.
Boom. Great win on that, folks. Yeah, $49.74. What'd you put in there?
I don't remember.
A lot less than that.
And probably.
What you gonna do now?
I don't know.
Yeah. Smart. Pretty smart. That's pretty good. Oh, there you go again. Oh, $500 mini showed up. Holy.
What is that?
A lot.
Is that $125?
$125.
Alright, we're gonna do one of those and we're gonna
Oh,
cash
my
out.
word.
We're just gonna do it and then we're gonna cash out. Alright, we're cashing out. 47.
47, you gonna hit that cash out?
Cash out.
All right, folks, that's a pretty good run. Checker flag, got pretty lucky there. Got pretty lucky there. Got a good profit on that one. Thanks a lot for watching. Don't forget to smash that like button. Follow us, subscribe. Leave us a comment, let us know what you think. See you on the next one.